Hello students, this video is related to a bakery item, that is biscuit. So I will be explaining different types of biscuits used in bakery sector. So there are typically 6 types of biscuits are available in market according to the customers or consumers demand. So we will see one by one. First is a sweet biscuit. There are different types of sweet biscuits in market. So first is sugar biscuit, which contains higher amount of sugar. So that's why this biscuit is called as sugar biscuit. Next is a butter biscuit, which contains higher amount of butter. So their texture is soft and crunchy. Next is a shortbread biscuit, which is very buttery and crumbly in texture. Next is a Mari biscuit, which is light and low fat tea biscuit. Next, glucose biscuit, which is high in sugar content and energy giving biscuit. Next is a cream filled biscuit, which contains cream inside 2 biscuits. According to the cream flavor, there are different types of cream biscuits are available. Next is a digestive biscuit, which contains fiber amount of wheat. Next is a chocolate biscuit or chocolate coated biscuit, which is covered with melted chocolate. So these are the different types of sweet biscuit. Next is a savory biscuits, crackers, salted biscuits, cheese crackers. Next is a semi-sweet biscuit, which means it contains less amount of sweeteners or sugar in biscuit. So first is nice biscuit, second is tea biscuit, and third is thin arrowroot biscuits, means which contains starchy portion or some sugary portion in biscuits. First is a nice biscuit. So nice biscuit is basically sweet coconut flavored biscuit, which contains some amount of coconut inside it. Next is a tea biscuit, which means mildly sweet and crispy in texture. And third is thin arrowroot biscuit, which means it contains arrowroot starch in the flour, which is light and digestible biscuit, and it is also gluten free biscuit because of arrowroot starch. Next is a health or functional biscuits, which means biscuit is healthy or not to our body. So there are different varieties of healthy biscuits are available in market. First is high fiber, second is multigrain or protein biscuits, and some millet biscuits are available in market. So first is high fiber biscuits. So it contains higher amount of fiber, that is bran, and some amount of fiber is present in biscuit flour. Second is multigrain biscuit, which means mixture of different grain flour. Example of flours are cereals like wheat, rice, maize, or some amount of millet flour is used in these biscuits. So that's why this biscuit is called as a multigrain biscuits. Next is a protein biscuits, which contains some amount of protein, or these biscuits are enriched with proteins like protein powder or some whey powder, or it is beneficial for our body. Next is diabetic friendly biscuits. So diabetic friendly means it does not contain sugar. So it contains only artificial sweeteners like saccharin, aspartame, and so on. Next is a gluten free biscuits. So gluten free means it is without of wheat flour, or it does not contain gluten in biscuit flour. Next is oats biscuit and ragi biscuits. So these biscuits are made up of oat or ragi flour, which is highly beneficial for our health, or it is for good health. Next is a specialty biscuits, which means there is a special ingredients used in biscuits according to the consumers or customers' demands. So basically, there are different types of special biscuits available in market. First is a cream wafer, which means cream is filled in thin layers of biscuits, or there is a less cream is filled in layers in between 2 to 3 gaps of biscuits, which is thin, crispy in texture. That's why this biscuit is called as a cream wafer, or it is also used in baking decoration purpose. Next is a jam filled biscuits. Basically, strawberry jam is used to fill the two biscuits. That is, there is a center part is filled with jam. So this biscuit is called as a jam filled biscuit. Next is a sandwich biscuits, which contain two layers and middle layer is filled with cream. So this is looks like a sandwich. So that's why this biscuit is called as sandwich biscuit. Next is a ginger biscuits. So biscuit contains some amount of ginger flavor inside it, and it is flavored with ginger. Next is fruit biscuits. Some dry fruits like raisins or tutti frutti are dusted on these biscuits, or it is baked with the tutti frutti or some amount of raisins in it. Next is nut biscuits. Nut biscuits means which contain nuts like almonds, pista, cashew on the top of the biscuits. So these are the special biscuits are available in market. Next is traditional or regional biscuits. So there are different types of traditional biscuits are available in market. First is more demanded or most consumable biscuit, that is naan khatai or naan katai, which contains higher amount of ghee, sugar and flour, and this is very crispy in texture and it is sweet in taste. Next is jeera biscuit. So cumin seeds are present on the top of these biscuits, or it is flavored with cumin seeds, which is light crispy biscuits and flavored with cumin seeds. So that's why this biscuit is called as a jeera biscuit. Next is Parle-G type glucose biscuits.